Hello, dear learners. This is Teacher RJ, your science teacher for this week. For our lesson, we will be learning about the effects of sun's heat and light, its beneficial and harmful effects. I will also be adding on how to protect ourselves from the sun's heat and light. So, come on and let's have fun in learning science. Let's take a look at these beneficial effects of the sun's heat and light on living things. First, plants can make their own food through what we call as photosynthesis. Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to prepare their own food. Second, during sunny days, we can do recreational activities such as swimming in the Amburayan River, boating and picnicking at Burnham Park, Baguio City, and traveling or going to Mount Dakiwagan. And of course, remember what we call as CLAGO or clean as you go. When going to picnics, swimming, or picnicking, that we ensure that the premises are clean, hygienic, and clutter-free. Third, on hot, warm days, farmers dry their crops and also with the fishermen can dry their catch to preserve them. Fourth, ultraviolet rays help some skin conditions like psoriasis. When we say psoriasis, it's when the skin sheds its cells. It has scaly patches and it's itchy. Psoriasis is not contagious. You can't catch or spread it from another person. So if you have a friend who has psoriasis, you may play with him or her. Another beneficial effects of the sun is, according to research, sunlight improves our mood because it stimulates our pineal gland in our brain, which exudes chemical called tryptamines. Sun is also best source of vitamin D. This vitamin is made from cholesterol in our skin when it is exposed to the sun. And another good effect of the sun is it is for disinfection and sterilization. Our parents expose our beddings, clothes, and towels under the sun to reduce microorganisms because sunlight helps in deactivating viruses and bacteria. Let's get going. Let's take a look at the harmful effects of the sun. Too much exposure to sunlight can cause heat stroke and sunburn. Sunburn happens when your skin cells are damaged. Your skin becomes reddish and it's really itchy when burnt. Another harmful effects of the sun, it can cause visual impairment. We should not look at the sun directly so that our eyes will not be impaired. Plants may wilt and die because of intense heat and light of the sun. So we have to take good care of them. Just like us, working animals will get sick if they're exposed from too much sun's heat and light. Of course, intense sun's heat can cause loss of water from the bodies. The sun's heat and warm air make us perspire a lot. Too much perspiration can make us lose much water. So, we should drink enough water to avoid dehydration and stomach cramps. And if there's too much sun's heat and light, soil will be hard and cracked. Moreover, we can protect ourselves from intense heat and light of the sun by practicing safety precautionary measures. First, take a bath regularly. Why do we need to take a bath during a hot sunny days? Because it will help us freshen up our skin. So, take a bath regularly. Why do we need to eat fruits like watermelons, oranges, citrus, and the like during hot sunny days? This is to help replenish lost water in the body. Why do we need to apply sunblock lotions during hot sunny days? It protects our skin from ultraviolet rays. Sunscreen blocks greatly reduce the likelihood of sunburn. Look for products with SPF, or SPF means sun protection factor, of at least 15. Some doctors recommend nothing below 30. It also lowers skin cancer risk. Wear clothes that cover as much skin as possible to protect against permanent skin damage. Use long sleeves pants and skirts in a lightweight, loose-fitting fabric to provide protection for the sun. Wear a well-vented, wide-brim hat, at least 7.5 centimeter width, to protect your face, head, neck, and ears from the sun. Sunglasses should be worn. Why do we need to drink lots of water during hot sunny days? This is to prevent dehydration and heat stroke. It will also replenish lost energy from the hot weather conditions. Now, let's take a look at the effects of the sun. We start first with beneficial effect. First, plants make their own food, useful for disinfection and sterilization, helps mood, families do recreational activities, farmers dry their crops, and lastly, it helps some skin conditions like psoriasis. How about the harmful effect? First one, it can cause sunburn and heat stroke. It can cause visual impairment. Working animals will get sick. Plants may wilt and die. It can make the soil very dry, hard, and cracked. And lastly, it can cause loss of water from the body. So, those are some of the beneficial and harmful effects of the sun. Looking forward that you have learned something on how to protect yourself from the sun's heat and light. Moreover, sun is the main source of energy. As you will be going forward for the next level,
you will be learning more about the Sun. Likewise, with the planets. Always remember, this is your teacher RJ, ready to guide you to the world of science.